Where have you been? Well, I just got back from the Rocket Centre, and you see, £2.99. It's not bad, is it? Oxford. What's it made of? It's solid plastic. Should last a while. I think the idea, I just tried it outside the shop, is to loop that around your front brake and throttle. But when it's in the back, I shouldn't need it in the backyard. I'm not as daft as to do it in my own backyard. That would be funny, wouldn't it? Might not be a good idea to keep permanent tension on that. But anyway, let's get inside. I'm knackered. Come on, goodbye.
Do you crunch? You don't? Well, you should, you know. Get your crunch disc. Fast, because the crunch is happening.
Crunch and crunch, when it comes to the crunch, crunch, it's Smith.
Just send 3 empty bags and 1 and 6pence to Smith's Crisps for your crunch disc.
When it comes to the crunch, it's Smith. It is.
Come in, come in. Why, Mr. Cooper? Oh, why? Why, look. I always make him laugh. Oh, look at this. Oh, here's some good news. Juicy cake pears are in the shops now. Look. What about a tip? A tip? Yes, here's a tip. Get some juicy cake pears right away. Juicy cake pears, delicious.
Yes, terrible news. Nearly 40 people, British people, in Tunisia. You all know the story, don't you? I was saying to my mum though, I'm sure it was 3 or 4 weeks ago, the Sun, I mean in today's Sun they've reproduced it, a map of the world and places specifically to avoid, and Turkey and Tunisia and perhaps Morocco were there on the list of Home Office advises visitors not to go. No, in other words, cancel your bloody holiday. I've no idea why people go there. A bloke, well, a supervisor from work just come back from Spain, 40 degrees. Oh, I just sat reading a book in the sunshine. And that mate of mine, Guitar Bob, he was sort of showing off last year. He didn't go to Sharm el Sheikh. Some, you know, one of those deserts, Red Sea, is it? Or something like that. Desert resorts. And I looked on Google Earth, just a bloody desert. A hotel and a pool. Oh yeah, my girlfriend got sunstroke within the first day. And we both had quick shits for 10 days out of the 2 weeks. I said, Jesus, why not stay at home? We wanted sunshine. I said, what? Sunstroke and bloody quick shit? So you're mad? None of that in Blackpool or a terrace yet. Anyway, what I'm doing, I don't know why I'm holding that. Talk about closing the barn door when the horse is bolted. But £2.99, I think we should all have them just as a reminder. I must work too hard. I was half asleep. If you don't know, I fell off my bike last Monday, almost exactly actually a week ago. Got out to work at 10:05, ordered a pizza, set off tired and thinking about my pizza, got 18-inch and come to a sudden stop, went over and I couldn't get my leg down quick enough. I ended up on my back and the bike went over, but luckily because of the crash bars, it landed on the crash bars and the Tarzan horn. And one of those blue mirrors, only £5.95 a pair, and it's cracked it. Not cracked the glass, cracked the plastic. Oh, it's uploaded. These are, I thought I'd put in a silly end of part 1, part 2 on, just to see what it looks like. and I've dug some old adverts out from a Ready Steady Go video. This is how I transfer stuff. Can you see these leads on the floor? Hard to see with being black. I'll put a big light on, put a big light on. Yeah, I had a old camcorder which is routed into the front A3 socket of a DVD, so I can do camcorder tapes, DVDs, VHS, run it through the lead at the back, and you've got a choice of SVHS or RCA phono leads, and I can put anything up, but a lot of it gets copyrighted. I did that Fred Dimner clip last week, but I did a John Wayne clip from The Quiet Man. I thought of jokingly going out on my bike in the field saying, "Hi John," and he stood there in this field stood on having a fag on a gate, but it got a copyright claim, so I had to delete it.